Howdy everyone. There are two worlds. One world is called external world, another one is called inner world. External world has been made by air, fire, water, earth, sky. But the inner world has been made by beliefs, thoughts, ideas, your internal power. So once you start progressing, so your inner world starts improving, and inner world when becomes strong, so you can face external world also. The day you start progressing, it means you embark for life's journey, which is really unbelievable, which is really uh, which is really putting the right effect, making the impact in others' life, because you have embarked for life journey. When you, the moment you embark, so what happens in your mind? There's a one challenge. There's a one management challenge, which has been made by you, because innerly you have started working. Then you will find your passion also, you will find your values also. If you feel strong from inside and you know what is in you, so you can grab the whole world. Let me give you an example. Mental practice is the best practice in this world, it is said. You know, it has been discovered by expertise. They have spilled the beans, they have told, and they have described also. They kept three teams. One team kept practicing up to 21 days, so there was an improvement, there was a growth, because they kept practicing. So they got the benefits up to 25%, because they kept practicing. One team did not practice, so there was no any growth. But one team practiced mentally up to 21 days, and when they checked out practically, so there was a growth of 24% in that team. So when you practice mentally, so your inner world is begun by you. You make it better, you make it possible. Your beliefs, your values, your ideas, they all are ready to accept challenges and options you people have. There's a one thing also. When you feel strong from inside and you want to give something to the people, give something to the world, because from inside you are strong, what would people think of you? That will not impact you, that will not affect you, that will not give you any difference, because you are ready to contribute something in your life, and that is coming from inside. If you are gonna give something to world, and you know what you are gonna give, and you know that you have that value which people are lacking, and you have experienced it from inside, and people are gonna get the benefits through you, it means you're making the journey of those lives which are really waiting for you, and you have not discovered yet. So whatever you are passionate about, whatever you have the passion, and if you feel it is really something unique which you have, so try to contribute it. Give it to the people. They will get the benefits. You will leave something for the people. And it is important. When you are embarking for any place, so you are using lots of options. You have the train, you have the vehicles, whatever. By air you go, by plane, by train, by any vehicle, you can go. but you have the options. So like this, when you are embarking for life journey, you should have the options, and these options will be benefiting others also. Let others say whatever they say, you should not get the effects on these talks, because you are strong from inside. You have decided your journey. And there is an incident also. There was a race between just 10 boys, and it was only for 400 miles, not more than that. They all started running. 10 boys were very very young, and one boy was not fit for that race, even though his parents kept him in that race. All started running, and mostly everybody was saying that all will not reach up to that moment. There was a fixed time of the 2 minutes and 4 minutes something for that particular race. And you know what happened? The boy who was not fit, he won the race. Every boy who just was defeated by that boy who was not fit, nobody got to know, so they went to that boy, because when they were running, so everybody was booing, everybody was laughing, but the boy who was unfit, he was unaware, he was not taking care of these all talks. And at last, when he won the race, when people called him, he was not unable to listen to them also. Then later on, everybody got to know the boy was deaf. And you know what happened? When they asked, how could you believe that you would win the race? He said, I was not expecting this much. But what happened when I found you cheering when I was running? I felt too much enthusiastic from inside. And reality was different. They were not cheering. They were laughing. They were giving the comments. So world is gonna give you lots of things. So it is up to us how we can grab it. If you find good things are there, observe it, learn. If you think bad things are there, so option is with you. Don't take it. If somebody gives you something, if you like that thing is gonna get you the benefit, take it. If you are not liking that thing, and if you think that the thing which they are giving, it is not gonna get you the benefit, so let it be. And indirectly way, if you do not accept the thing, so that thing which they are giving, it would be with them. So when some people criticize you, comments you, people give you comments, so what's the problem? Don't take, let them be, let these all criticism, let these all pretexts be with them. You don't take, it would be automatically with them, it would be with them. So this is the story. Only one thing we need to do, that is the mental practice. Thank you guys for listening to me. If you're liking my videos, so please do subscribe to my channel. I would be posting these sorts of videos in future also. Have a nice time ahead.